Today we're going to learn a few more techniques that you can do at home for corrective exercise that will allow you to strengthen your anterior tibialis, which is your shin muscle right here. This muscle is the one that correctly pulls your knee over your foot. If you have any misalignments, then you might have pain in your knee, but it's most likely because your foot and ankle complex is not strong. So what we want to do is to stimulate the arch in your foot here so that when you walk, your ankles don't drop, they don't fall in, or your knees are not going out. So easy way to do that would be with a foam roller. This one's a travel size that I use when I are traveling or back and forth to the gym. You can apply the amount of pressure that you need or that you can handle on the arch of your foot here, or you can stand on it directly. You can also use these cool little roller balls, which I should include a link for you to get on Amazon. I got this one at Dick's, but you just hang on to this and that's just going to roll right there in your arch and relieve some pressure. You can also use a racket ball or a tennis ball, and the way that you would do that would be to quickly just stand up and roll right around that arch to stimulate that muscle. That way when you stand, your feet can be straight forward and support the rest of your body in the way that it was meant to be.